Hi, today I'm reviewing Tecno Spark Go 2022 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while the home screen with your finger, then tap to the widgets icon. After that you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you could add. For example, let's add the clock or the weather or calendar widget. Tap on the, for example, to the calendar application. Here you will see that calendar got two different types of the widgets. Just to add the widget to your home screen, hold it and drag it. If you want to resize it, just hold it, click to resize, and now we can switch the size of our widget to the bigger or smaller. To move widget on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. And if you want to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.